Hi there, I'm Matthias and this is my YouTube channel. The short version of this explanation video is a playlist is like a drawer. You can put stuff in a drawer. Let's say you put all your kitchen utensils in a drawer and then you put a label on the drawer saying kitchen utensils. Then every time you walk into the kitchen you know exactly where your kitchen utensils are. Playlists is the same. For example, here the playlist Handly Gaming. I have my gaming videos. I can change the name if I want to something else, but I don't. I can put in a description. For example, my gaming videos. I can also change the behavior of the playlist, so I can collaborate with others. I can set it so that new videos come on top of the playlist or at the bottom. I prefer on top because then you see my latest videos first. You can of course share stuff, just put it to different channels, and you can copy the link of the playlist. So playlists isn't that complicated like most people want us to believe, but they can be a bit confusing. So how does this work? This is actually playlists. So instead of me having 4 different kind of YouTube channels, I have one YouTube channel, one main channel, and then my different interests in playlists. So on my YouTube channel, you will see my latest video in the latest playlist right here. And you will see all of my uploads here. Yep, that's my YouTube channel. Lots of stuff in different places, also known as playlists.